everyone. I'm here with Oussama Ahmad, managing partner at Artefact, to talk about the utility sector. Hi Oussama.
Hi, Carola.
Today we're gonna speak about the utility sector. This sector is often seen as one of the more traditional industries. How do you help organizations use AI in order to transform their businesses?
Actually, utilities sector is one of the sectors where AI can have a major impact on the business. There are many applications across their value chain. One of them is AI, using AI for predictive maintenance. As you know, utility players have to ensure that their grids are always available. So we're using data from OT, operational technology devices, to predict any maintenance that is required for equipment and the generation plants or the transmission and distribution grids. Another interesting application also of AI in the utility sector is around energy efficiency. So AI helps consumers and businesses reduce their consumption of electricity by analyzing patterns of usage and identifying opportunities of when and how to save on electricity consumption. And the third, which is closest to my heart, is using AI for emissions reduction. As you know, there has been a major effort from utilities player to reduce their carbon footprint. AI can analyze all their CO2 emissions, especially from the generation plants, and also identify opportunities where we can actually reduce those and integrate renewable energy sources into the grid as well.
And what are the main enablers to implement these applications?
So in the utilities sector, in order to implement AI effectively, you need three main things, I would say. Number one is a robust OT integration platform, so operational technology. So you need to collect all the data from smart meters, from sensors, and here we're talking about hundreds of thousands to millions of data tags that feed minute by minute, second by second. So you need a very robust platform in order to integrate all this data. The second part is you need a scalable infrastructure. And we're talking here really large scale, big data platforms. That's why we also recommend to our customers to go with hyperscalers to ensure that they can scale up their resources as needed. And the third and last but not least is the data quality, obviously. The most important aspect of getting an accurate result out of an AI model is to ensure that the data feeding into that model is of high quality.
Okay. Thank you, Osama, for sharing these great insights, and stay tuned for more exciting ones.
Thanks, Carola.